Yo, what is going on, guys? It is your boy FuelKV bringing you guys back a brand new video to my channel, and today we're playing Dead by Daylight with the whole squad. You know, I got Jesse, Josue, Steven, and myself. We're about to do this epic comeback, the most epic comeback in Dead by Daylight history. We're officially the #1 ranked team right now so far in Dead by Daylight. If y'all don't know, there's an esports competition for Dead by Daylight, and we're right now in #1. So let's get right into this video. And remember, guys, grab some popcorn, grab some drinks, and grab all that good stuff, because this is going to be an epic ride.
Yes, it is.
Hey, what is that song? What is that song? What is that song?
Michael Myers. Michael Myers.
Michael Myers? Yeah.
Is there a generator?
Yeah, we're gonna die.
Come on, let's go.
No, in the house. In the house, there's no generators. Just telling you that.
Yeah,
There is. They're on top. They're on top.
Yeah.
What the fuck?
Where you got that one, dude?
Go to another house.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Beat. Nice.
Oh,
He's on the opposite side of the map, guys. Watch out.
Wait.
My bad.
Do traps and everything. You know which one? The witchy, zombie looking. It's right there behind you.
Where is he?
I'm on this generator right here.
Oh, it's the one that multiplies. Oh, I like that I like that one.
I don't.
No, hey,
I'm doing a generator in front of
you.
you, Jesse. The one across the street.
I'm fucked.
Nice. Bro, I got scared, dude. You can see my new video at FuelKV.
Fuck.
I'm right here, bald guy, behind you. Oh my god.
This
Me?
bitch.
There's a generator right here.
Where?
No, behind
that's
you.
Steven.
I'm gonna escape. Run.
Oh, fuck.
Nice. Just run.
You're stupid because you missed one.
Go right side. Yeah, go right side. You lost her. Nice. Maybe she has a perk that can make a lot of noise when you do something.
No,
Like-
she multiplies.
Like this generator I did right now.
Can someone heal me, please?
Hang on.
I'm stupid.
It was at this moment that he fucked up.
Oh, she's so stupid. I'm doing the generator in the bottom of the basement. I need one person here.
Where are you?
Bottom of the basement. Oh, somebody's right here. Y'all guys do a different generator. We need one more. She's coming.
He's coming for me.
Yeah, she left. Where's the exit doors?
He's been chasing me this whole entire time. I'm so dumb. You just don't know how dumb I can be. Like,
Where's the exits at? That's the real question.
I just don't understand. Like, how dumb can someone be?
I found one. I'm next to Jesse.
I know.
No!
But we need Jesse.
I got up.
Yeah, leave.
Run.
Come to the middle of the street. We're the police.
I'm dead again.
I'm escaping. I'll open. Come to my exit, Jesse. It's next to your hook.
I'm dead.
Guys, I need you over here. I reopened the exit.
Yes.
No, I do not believe it, guys. Go.
I'm dead.
Are you for real? Are you for real?
I'm dead. Run, just run. I'm dead. Just run.
No, you're not. He's not dead.
You're not dead.
He's not dead.
Yo,
Heal me. Someone heal me. Someone heal me.
I will
Someone heal me.
myself. I
Heal
will
me.
kill
Heal me.
myself right now.
No, I'm gonna go with you. I'm gonna go for you. I'm gonna go for you. Go, go, go. Come on, Jose.
Almost.
We're coming for you guys.
I mean,
What the fuck?
I literally go for him. Go for him. Go for. Come on. Come on. Go for Jesse. Go for Jesse. Go for Jesse.
Where?
Go for behind. Right there. What do you mean where?
Run! Run!
Nice, run. Okay, get
Run.
Steven. Get Steven. Get Steven.
Are you serious? Are
Watch
you
out,
serious?
guys. Watch out, guys. Just run. Just run, run, run. Bro, I was right
Run.
there. What the fuck?
Hey, that's right. Get ready to get boost. Get ready to get boost. Get ready to get anyone who's stuck up. Get ready to get anyone.
He's gonna
get
cap.
ready.
He's gonna cap. He's gonna cap.
No,
Keep doing that.
I'm gonna skip. I'm gonna
Steven
skip,
can
I'm gonna
wiggle.
skip, I'm
Steven can wiggle.
No, I'm gonna get him.
Give me, Josue.
Ugh.
Jesus Christ, who didn't want to get him? I told you to get him. Well, I'm dead.
I'm hitting him.
Someone get Jesse. Someone get Jesse.
Oh.
Watch out, Steven. Watch out, Steven. Watch out, Steven. It's glitching. It's glitching. What's happening?
Alright. Keep wiggling, keep wiggling. Tell me when they're about to get out. Tell me when you're about to get out. Hold on. Alright, get ready.
Scooby-Doo pop up. Scooby-Doo pop. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's go.
Oh, let's go. Oh my god.
Wow. GG.
Good game, boys.
Good game.
This is the end of the video. Also subscribe if you are new to this channel. I was trying so hard on this edits. It came out really great. I'm so proud of my work and effort as well. There's gonna be new videos coming out soon. Maybe tomorrow there's gonna be a new video, Dead by Daylight. If you did enjoy, leave a like so I can see if we can hit, let's say 5 likes on the video. 2018 is done, guys. I'm so excited for 2019. There's gonna be new stuff releasing in my channel. It's gonna be daily uploads. Hopefully I can do that. And yeah, just make sure to subscribe, ring that notification so you can see my new video when it comes out tomorrow. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Remember, guys, leave a like, subscribe, comment down below, share the video and all that cool stuff, and I'll talk to you guys on the next video.